welcome back to my channel. My name is Ekai Tigere. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be doing 12 hairstyles with my locks, and this is going to be like okay, so another YouTuber is Chilekwa Fay did 12 hairstyles from an old braid out. She's got like natural hair, so I'm going to try and do those hairstyles but with my locks. The first hairstyle that she did, she called it the shaggy. Okay, so another thing, in the video that she did, Man from Pink, another YouTuber, did the voiceover for her, and I can't compete with his jokes or whatnot, and he gave the hairstyle some really fancy names that I can't even say. So the first hairstyle that she did was more like a shaggy hairstyle, so I'm going to try and do that one first. So this will be the first one. So this one is easy. It's easy for me because I have locks. So once I just remove my ribbon and do the middle part, then it's done. So it's not obviously an afro because, yeah, it's not natural hair. So this is it. This is it. First hairstyle number one. It's the shaggy. Just let your hair down. So the second hairstyle is what they called it the Wiki Pay. Apparently it looks like the weekend, so mine will probably look more like that because I have locks. So let me try to do that. So one thing I noticed that in all her videos she had like two strands of hair. Not two strands of hair, but yeah, that. So I'm going to try and do that. Okay. I don't know, I think I've gotten too much hair. But I wish my hair was like not so neat. I think it now looks better. Wait, this is not going as planned. You guys. Okay. My hair is too long and too short at the same time. I have no idea what's going on. Let's try to put, I need them to be low. Should I put all of them in front maybe? Does that look close? They look weird. Okay. I think that's it. Yeah, that's the second hairstyle. Looks good. So that's number 2. What do you guys think? Close to the weekend? Close? So now I'm going to do the second look, which is just like turning this into a bun. So obviously her bun is thicker because that's hair. So, but yeah, let me try to do. That's like natural hair. Then these are locks. That's what I mean. That's what I mean. You know, like, and making a bun with locks is just harder. Okay, it's easier if your locks are long, I think. Okay, let's see if that's a proper bun. Oh, it's actually cute. I think it's cute. I like it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. Yeah, so this is hairstyle number 3. I like it. I like how this turned out. Yo. So now let's try the fourth one. The fourth one is also quite easy. Okay, let's see. All you need are hair bands, really. I should also just use hair bands. I need to make like a, that's a good part about having locks. Like I don't need a comb or anything. So I need to make a parting. Then, let's see. My hair is quite short. Some of the strands are short. Okay, I feel like I have more hair on one side and then less hair. So now let's just pull the strands to... One part is higher than the other. I don't know if I should make the other one higher or... Okay, that's it. I think that this is it. So this is the second hairstyle, which is 2 puffs. And yeah, with the strands. So I think for me, you can like push back the strands, really. But then since we're doing what Chilekwa Fay did. So like if I push back the strands, I think it will still be okay, right? So but then let's do this just like Chilekwa did. So yeah, that's hairstyle number 4, right? 4. Apparently this is supposed to be hairstyle number 5. So let me just do number 4. Let me do number 4. This is going to take longer because the number 6 was just like this, but you know, so yeah, so just yeah. So this is what is supposed to be number 4. Okay, so number 4 is just, which was going to be easier if I just came from that. It's supposed to be bands, you guys. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I don't know. Because I think I don't have 4 ribbons. Do I have 4 ribbons? For my bands, I like to use 2, like 1 for tying, 1 for making the band. I think that feels like a good band. Yeah, it does. I think it's good. Like, I just have to measure the line. Measure. Pat the hair. Okay. So let me turn this into a band as well. How? Which direction will this band go? Okay. There goes. Okay. Yeah. So this is supposed to be hairstyle number 4. I think it's okay. Is it okay? Oh wait. One is in front, one is at the back. Shift it. Okay. That's big. Okay, here's the number 4. So this was style number 4. Number 5 we already did. So let's go to number 6 now. I'm just going to break this. So this one I'm breaking right now, and the next one are very similar. Only that this one is I've left some hair at the back, but then the next puffs I'm going to make, I want to leave hair at the back. So yeah, let me do that. This will be harder now. The band it's gonna be harder because the hair at the back is shorter than the hair at the front. Okay, that's fine. The other band will be here. I keep finding to my strands that are just stubborn. Really, that's the word. They're just stubborn. Okay. Hairstyle number 6 done. 2 bands. So this is number 6. Let's now go to number 7. So with number 7, you know, I didn't really think this through because I don't know if all my hair can come to the front really. But yeah, let's see. So basically, okay, some of the hair has refused to come to the front, I think, but let's see. I don't think this is a hairstyle I can do like away from camera, like if I'm going somewhere. Wait, what's going on here?
This one is like push them flat.
So if I had natural hair, ideally this is supposed to be like an afro, like all the way. But with the locks, I don't know. This one we just have to leave it for the owners. Because can we just call this a few and move on to number 8? What do you think?
It's more like...
I've tried. But like if I can figure out what else I can do, probably. Oh, even some of this hair is like outside. You know what you guys know? Like this is number 8. Is number 8? Eh? This is number 8 and it's a fail. Can we just take a photo of this one like this?
Yes.
So that was number 7. Now let's go to number 8. So number 8 is supposed to be this same hairstyle. Then now I turn it into a bun. Maybe that will work. Maybe not. I don't know. This looks promising though. That's better. You know. So this one obviously needs to be perfected. I don't have pins. I never put pins in my hair because the hair at the back is just not cooperating. It's short. So but then it's number 8. I think it's better than number 7. So okay, so this is number 8. So let's go to number 9. Number 9. So with number 9, I'm supposed to make like a low puff and then let my hair loose. But then my hair is not that long. So let's see how that is going to go. Okay. Let me just try to pick all of them out so that at least, even if it's not that long, it can spread out a little bit. That's it. Can you see the hair? Has it spread out? Okay, here it is. So that's hairstyle number. Let me talk like this. So that's hairstyle number 9. That you see. Okay, so this is number 9, right? For number 10, I need to turn this if it was a bigger puff into a bun. So let's try to. Let's try to turn this into a bun. I've not seen the future here, but you know, nothing is impossible to them, you know, who are. Anyway, I don't know, but it's gonna work, okay? It's gonna work. In fact, she just folded her hair over, but like, which hair am I going to fold over? So I have to like turn it into a bun. So I've successfully turned my hair into a bun, a little bun, but a bun still the same. So that's number 10. So now we are going to hairstyle number 11, which I think we've only had one that has been a fail. The rest have been successful. So in fact, that's one of the things I do when I'm going to the salon. When I'm looking for hairstyles, I don't just look for hairstyles like for locks. I don't obviously like all of them, but I also just check for hairstyles like for people with braids, people with natural hairstyles, and just try and use those hairstyles on my hair. I can't wait for my locks to be longer, because then I can do more stuff with it, obviously. So yeah, this is number 11. I think I've done this one before. I don't know. Similar. I think they were just not this low. One is higher. One is definitely higher. Wait, let me lower it. Short hair problems. Once I do this one, even if they are at the same level, that's just how the hair wants to be. So it is what it is. So, ta-da! Oh wait. I got overwhelmed. Hairstyle number 11. Are these low enough? It's a bit of cheating because they're a bit high, but yeah, they're low. So the 12th and finally we reached the end. At at least we won't have any other disasters. So the final hairstyle is just turning these into buns. Were they even sure? Coming to think of it, let me just fold them. Let me try to fold them. Those are the bands. I'm very sure that these bands are not matching. But yeah, so this is the band on this side and this is the band on this side. So hairstyle number 12, finally. Should I do maybe I'll do a bonus one, let's see. But yeah, this is hairstyle number 12. Yeah, so those are the 12 hairstyles that I did. The 12 hairstyles that Chilekwa did that I copied. I don't know what's the word. Imitated, made. I don't know. So yeah, those are the 12 hairstyles that she did with her natural hair that I also did, copying her with my locks. So yeah, so if you guys want to see Chilekwa's video, you can click up here, or you can also check for the description, for the link in the description box. So remember to like, share with your friends, and yeah, like switch on the notification bell if it's not on. Thank you for watching. Bye.